subscribe. Yeah.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Tea Drinker, and today I've got something more interesting, guys. I've got something delicious, so please stay tuned and then enjoy the banger that I have for you today. Smells like something is burning, guys. Oh my god. So please guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned guys, please don't forget to subscribe. So guys, today I'm using the traditional method of cooking. There is no stove, no electricity, but it's just fire. So we're cooking some crispy fried chips. Oh my god, we're using the traditional way, and trust me guys. So before we even start, this place needs to be cleaned. I can't cook in ashes. We need a clean place for our fire. So the last time I didn't clean it, my food tasted very horrible. Oh my god, everything was just getting in there, the smoke, the dust. So today we are doing it the right way. We'll start by cleaning the place, and then after that we'll make our fire, and then we'll start our cooking. You know, they say hygiene is always needed when it comes to cooking. So here I've got my potatoes ready. I just have to peel them off very nicely, and then after that we wash them and cut them into slices. I actually learned this from YouTube guys after so many failed attempts. So the other time my chips, they looked so smashed other than crispy. So this time I'm very careful. I want them to be very crispy, you know, because I'm doing this the Gordon Ramsay way. It's actually taking too much time to slice these potatoes because I took so many of them. I should have taken maybe 5 potatoes because it's just me and my little sis who's going to enjoy this meal. So we start by heating the oil very well until you start to smell the oil burning. Now it's time for me to fry my fresh chips. Fresh or French chips, yeah, those. You know what guys, I feel like I'm the best Zimbabwean chef. Oh, in fact I am. You know how those chefs cook and the fire goes inside the pot? Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. It's really giving MasterChef vibes guys. Or if you haven't watched it, please do look for it. You get inspired like what I did. So now I'm just adding the last bunch of the potato chips, and then after that my chips are all done. Hello guys.
Hey guys.
This is my little sister, and she's helping me fry my chips. So don't forget to subscribe. I can't wait to dig in, you know. Oh guys, do you know that the taste of a 1% meal is so delicious? Guys, I'm actually going to enjoy this meal with my camera baby. And you know what, I'm starting to like the traditional way of cooking food using fire. I'm starting to like it because the food that you cook using fire is so delicious, so tasty, other than the food you cook using the stove or the gas stove. So guys, this is the results. Tell me in the comment section what you think or what traditional food I should cook next. Hit that like button, subscribe to your girl's channel. It's been Tea Drinker, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.